Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BA Boeing. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another rough day here for Boeing, and updates certainly need to be made. First, I'm going to do, though, is a little house cleaning here. Just get rid of these lines up here. Sure, those levels pertain. They're just not really relevant right now, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. The first big update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance, and that is at right there at a 145. So going into the day, yeah, 145 was that area that ideally would have held as support, but the bears showed it no mercy, came down here, and then just broke through it and continued on down. Now, to be fair, the price has at least started to stabilize out. So if there is any sort of attempted movement back to the upside, the first big question mark now becomes, can any sort of upwards movement have enough strength to actually not only get up to 145, but also be able to push up above it and then stay up above it. So keep a very close eye on that. In the event the price can push up through there, next key level would then be the purple line there, the 50-period moving average, and that's valued right now at 149. We'll just call it 50, but keep in mind that is a moving average, so that price is going to fluctuate as next week plays out, but probably getting too far ahead of myself. Let's just first see if the price can get up above 145, and then it makes more sense at that point to be talking about that 50-period moving average. As far as areas of support are concerned, nothing fancy or complicated here. Just a question of, okay, well, where did the bleeding stop today? And that was basically down there at the 142 mark. So 142, that very near-term level of support. And as you're seeing here, it has been a long time since the price has been down this low. In the event that 142 mark cannot quite hold up, then the next level of support to keep an eye on would then be down there right around the 138.75-ish area. So all in all, very bearish week, but we'll see if the price can try to get things turned around or not next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.